A blessed Sunday sa inyong lahat mga kapatid. Tayo ngayon ay nasa ika-4 na linggo sa karaniwang panahon. At sa linggong ito, pinagdiriwang ng simbahan ang kapistahan ng pagdadala kay Jesus na Panginoon sa templo. Inihaw kayo na samahan ninyo si Father Ron upang ating pakinggan ang Ebanghelyo sa araw na ito. When the days were completed for their purification according to the law of Moses, Mary and Joseph took Jesus up to Jerusalem to present him to the Lord. Just it is written in the law of the Lord, every male that opens the womb shall be consecrated to the Lord, and to offer the sacrifice of a pair of turtle doves or 2 young pigeons, in accordance with the dictate in the law of the Lord. Now there was a man in Jerusalem whose name was Simeon. This man was righteous and devout, awaiting the consolation of Israel, and the Holy Spirit was upon him. It had been revealed to him by the Holy Spirit that he should not see death before he had seen the Christ of the Lord. He came with the Spirit into the temple, and when the parents brought in the child Jesus to perform the custom of the law in regard to him, he took him into his arms and blessed God, saying, Now, Master, you may let your servant go in peace according to the word. For my eyes have seen your salvation, which you prepared the sight of all the peoples, a light for a revelation to the Gentiles, and glory for your people, Israel. Mga kapatid, sa kapistahang ito ng pagdadala kay Jesus na Panginoon sa templo ay hindi lamang tinutupad o nagiging masunurin si Maria at si Jose ayon sa batas ni Moises. Ito rin ay isang pakikiisa ni Maria at ni Jose sa kalooban ng Panginoon sa pamagitan ng pagdadala kay Jesus sa templo ng kanyang mga magulang na si Maria at Jose. Ito ay nagpapahayag ng kanilang pakikisa sa kalooban ng Panginoon para sa kanilang anak na si Jesus. Kaya sana ang mga magulang rin ay maging katulad ng ating mahal na ina si Maria at ni Jose na maging bukas sa sarili at isipin na ang mga anak ay kaloob ng Panginoon at para sa Panginoon. Kaya napakahalaga itong halimbawa na ipinapakita sa atin ng mag-asawa na si Maria at Jose. At tayo rin pinalahanan sa kapisang ito na ating ipagpasalamat sa Panginoon ang biyaya ng mga reliyoso at reliyosa, those who are consecrated persons, mga nag-alang-alang buhay sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon. Kaya iniyahan tayo ng simbahan na ipagdasal sila for their daily perseverance, and of course to pray also for more priestly and religious vocation for the church. So again, a blessed Sunday sa inyong lahat at naway pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon sa araw na ito at ingatan kayo kasama ng inyong mga mahal sa buhay. And of course, rest assured of my prayers for each one of you. So again, a blessed Sunday sa inyong lahat.